Alrighty guys, so let's start. Everybody can see the objective on the board. So as a class, in 3, 2, 1.
Healthy food choices and explain the importance of a blessed meal.
That was terrible, but that's okay. That was terrible, but that's okay. I can understand how to make healthy food choices and explain the importance of a balanced meal. Thank you. So, raise your hand if you had breakfast this morning. If you ate breakfast, raise your hand.
I don't eat all day. Oh, but yeah, I ate chocolate.
DNA, thank you. Isabel, what did you eat?
I ate a quesadilla, very, very goodness.
Quesadilla. Mauricio, what did you eat? Ladies, do I need to move you? Then let's stay quiet. If somebody else is talking, we're not talking. Anybody else? What did you eat?
Huh? I didn't eat
You
that.
didn't eat? All right.
Heck no. I don't have energy to eat in the morning.
That's how you get energy, though.
I don't know.
All right. So it's important to eat healthy, right?
Yes.
Why is it important to eat healthy?
Because you can die if you don't.
Why, if you don't?
You get diabetes if you don't.
How does eating healthy or eating poorly affect how you feel? Raise your hand if you have an answer.
You feel in a good mood and ready to do anything.
So better food makes you feel better? Gives you more energy? Very good. So something first what I want you guys to do, on those papers I gave you, on the lined ones, I want you to write down everything you ate for the last 24 hours. Write down what you ate in the last 24 hours. We don't need to do a lot of talking. Between all day yesterday. Let's just do all day yesterday. So write down what you ate yesterday.
I ate sopas. Oh, yesterday? I ate chips. I drink the tea. Manuchan and I eat a sopa. I ate chips, soda, tea, manuchan, and sopas.
I'll give you 1 more minute.
I don't remember what else I ate.
I ate pancakes.
C-R-E-A-L. You guys write down everything you ate yesterday?
I ate chips, soda, tea, manuchan, sopas, pancakes.
I don't remember. All I remember is getting McDonald's.
Okay.
All right, raise your hand if you're still writing. All right, give it a little bit more time, hurry up.
Do you have to write
No, not yet. No, we're good. That's just what we're gonna do. Sounds like a lot of healthy food in this class.
Very much.
Then I drink the soda. Then I drink the tea. And then
All right, looks like everybody's done writing, so let's get quiet now. 3, 2, 1. Isabella. Thank you. All right. So now look at everything that you wrote. Look at what you ate yesterday. Thank you. This is from My Plate. This is a healthy website. This is what they say that you should eat. This is a balanced meal. So for your meal, let's look at this. They divide it in half, right? And then this half, fruit and vegetables. You're supposed to have healthy balance of fruits and vegetables. On this half, grains and protein. Who can tell me what a grain would be? What example of a grain would be? Wheat is an example of a grain.
Like oatmeal?
Oatmeal would be a good one. So oatmeal would be a very good one there, or a healthy breakfast cereal, or kind of bread. And then what about for protein? What would be an example of protein?
crickets.
Like strawberries or bananas, I guess. I don't know.
No, that's
oh,
fruit.
no, wait, what?
That's fruit, madam.
Maybe.
Meat?
She raised her hand. Chicken, that would be perfect. So yes, so this shows you how you should balance it, and then dairy here. They want like a low-fat milk or yogurt or something like that.
Or water.
So look at your papers. How many of yours look like this? Nobody's? Phyllis kind of. Phyllis, what did you eat yesterday?
Wait, eat or
To eat. Yeah.
I'll say it for her, guys. Okay. Pitaya, grape, sandwich, water, chocolate.
Chocolate.
Chocolate, yeah.
So that sounds like a pretty balanced meal. That's good.
Can I say my meal?
Yes, you go ahead.
Okay. I ate chips, I ate soda, I drank the tea, I ate maruchan, I ate a sope, and I ate some pancakes.
Okay. So now, raise your hand. Raise your hand. How could you make your meal, whatever you ate, how could you make it better?
By getting more of it.
By salad wrapping everything.
Salad wrapping. You know, or just adding a salad would be better, right?
For sure.
So including these kinds of foods, right? Including these kinds of foods. So here's what I want. I want everybody to pull out your Chromebooks.
Okay.
Pull out our Chromebooks. Sorry, I should have had you do this earlier. Should have already had your Chromebooks out. You know what I said? You needed your Chromebooks.
I ate kind of vegetables yesterday because my mom made good, right?
You guys want to hear my poem? Ready?
No, we're not reading poems right now.
Listen to the poem.
All right. Everybody has their Chromebooks. So, Lincoln.
Ryan.
Thank you. Everybody has another paper. Looks like this one.
yeah.
Yeah.
Gentlemen. Everybody has this piece of paper.
Yeah.
On it, these are 3 things that stop people from being able to eat healthy. These are 3 things that prevent them. There are things called food deserts. It also says lack of information because people don't know what's healthy or unhealthy, right? So they're told, so they don't know. And then there's also cost barriers. So that means, does anybody have any guess as to what cost barriers means?
Vegetable.
Money. How much food costs? Good for you food, healthy food can be expensive. Sometimes it's a lot cheaper to eat unhealthy. So cost barrier is a big one. So what I want you to do with your partner, you can work with Emily. You guys can find a partner. With your partner, I want you to pick 2 of these, and I want you to research them. I want you to say what it is. Just give a definition of what it is, what it means, and then I want to write how does it prevent people from having access to healthy food? What does it do? Why does it make it so that they can't eat healthy? Are there any questions?
No.
I'm going to keep the volume level low. We're not getting loud. I'm going to give you guys, let's start with 7 minutes. I think that's plenty, but I think if you're done early, that'll be good. So let's take 7 minutes and do our research. You don't understand what? Okay. You got to take 2. So you're only doing 2. I don't care which 2. Only doing 2.
Which 2?
So pick 2 of these and you're going to write out. You're going to look at food desert and you're going to see what it says it is. And that's going to. Am I talking to someone? Am I talking to someone? You can wait your turn. You're going to write down what it is, and then you're going to just say why does it stop people from being able to eat it? Okay. Yes. You can go real quick. All right. We have a timer. Yeah, if you need help, raise your hand, I'll come to you. If you want to do food desert, otherwise if you want to look at black information about healthy food.
So we can do one of each.
Wait, what do we have?
I'm just right on the tape. I'm just right on.
What is it? Like, so yeah, so you're doing your research right now. So you're looking up food desert, and you're finding out what it is. There is food desert. That's not what that is. This is what research is. Tell me what food desert. Tell me what it is.
Last week. You had a submit last week. That's what you count.
That's when they are.
You get
Oh,
your
right,
present
right, last week.
That's when you had, that's when it had to be.
You guys look so alike.
Exactly.
Doing research. Yeah. Which one? You guys looking up? Start with food desert. Alright, very good. So right here, what does it, why would we use, how does that stop people from having it? Yeah, because they can't get to food. Easy. Take that one so you can grab the pass. Alright, we're at 4 minutes. I see, it looks like a lot of people are already almost halfway done. That's good. Means we have a good amount of time. How are we doing over there? Good. It's nice and quiet in here. This is easy. It's also important. It's important to learn how to eat healthy and why people can't eat healthy. You guys doing food deserts? What's your other one? Oh, you guys are already on your second one?
We have to do all of them? No,
Just 2.
Areas where people have limited access to a variety of health. We only have to do 2.
Yeah, we have to do this question too.
How?
Yeah, because honestly, this one kind of answers both questions. Yeah, so you're kind of restating the same thing there. So areas where people have limited access to a variety of healthy food, right? So yeah, so you'll just write down here. How does it prevent people from access to healthy food? They don't have the option for healthy food. So
You have to write all that.
You can write all the way to the very next one.
How do you write? Oh yeah.
You can write
This is the last one.
Fire it up. Fire it up. All right, about a minute and a half. See where we're at? Go by fast. Emily, what are you doing? None. Why'd you writing on this paper?
It's how much.
Oh. Yes, very good.
No! I'm literally like right here. Perfect. Oh no. Find a smaller one.
Looks like everybody's kind of wrapping it up. You're all on your
No,
second
I'm not
one.
even done. And one more minute.
Who wants one more minute?
Me.
How about 2 more minutes?
No.
2 more minutes.
Okay.
2 more minutes.
Okay, I can go slower.
So that puts us to 11, 10 on the dot. Yes. Good. So you did one. It's okay, I'll keep it happy. Yes, you do.
You're right there.
Let's not worry about that. Thank you. You guys are already done? Done.
Done.
Done. Looks like everybody.
I'm saying hi to you. Yeah, for yeah. Why'd you write it like that? Can't even read that. No, that's a good handwriting.
Hey, 1 more minute. Oh? Andy? Okay, okay. I want to see the trash on the floor. All right, let's all get back together. Does anybody want to read one of their things for me? What they wrote down. Ava, which one?
Cost barriers?
Cost barriers, okay, what's the cost barrier?
Cost barriers is how much food costs.
How much food costs, okay.
And sometimes healthy food is too much and fast food is less money.
Very good. So it's easier to eat unhealthy, right? So we need to try to find alternate ways to eat healthy, ways to make it cheaper. Anybody have another one? Something other than cost barrier? Isabella,
A food desert.
what's a food desert?
A food desert is an area where people have limited access to a variety of healthy foods.
Okay, so they have limited access to a variety of healthy foods. So when you have a limited access, it's hard to find healthy food, right? People live in long stretches without like a big grocery store where they can go get fruits and vegetables. There's only like either fast food chains or convenience stores where you can get, candy and chips and things like that. So it's harder for them to find healthy food.
No, they need a store called Sprouts.
They did, but there's a lot of areas that don't have Sprouts. So like Taft is a small town, but you guys at least have Albertsons where you can go and find a lot of healthy food in there. Some towns don't have an Albertsons or a grocery store like that.
There's more tabs.
Yeah, so you'd have to, so they have to drive far away. So they have to drive far away to get to to get to healthy food, right? So that is a problem. And what was our last one?
Lack of information.
Lack of information. Did anybody do lack of information?
Ignore.
Nobody did lack of information? Mauricio did. Mauricio, what did you write for lack of information?
I just wrote the top things: ignorant, illiterate, unlettered, uneducated, lacking knowledge or training, knowing little or nothing or maybe
Gentlemen.
about a particular subject.
Very good, thank you. So not understanding, right? Not knowing what it means to be able, not being able to eat healthy because they don't understand that there are foods that are healthier than others. Very good. All right, so here's what I want you guys to do now. Let's close up our Chromebooks. Close up our Chromebooks. On those line sheets. How many do kind of like a little journal entry type thing? It doesn't need to be super structured. I just want you to do a little write-up. I want you to write why healthy eating is important for me and my success. And I want you to explain why. Why is eating healthy important? And why does it help you be successful?
Because your brain gets so much calories and stuff.
So I just wanted to see what you guys think. So we'll take about 5 minutes and write that. And then this is going to be your little exit ticket. I want to know what you guys have to say. We don't need to be talking for this one. This is just a quick little write-up.
For what?
I will write it up on the board. I will write it on the board for you. This is your prompt. Oh, you're going to write about why healthy eating is important to me. And my success. So there's what you're writing about. There's one a few sentences.
They can't see you.
DNA. Face forward, do your work. You give 5 minutes.
I'm done.
It's manual. Well, try it. Sounded right. Yes. Helps you develop your brain, helps you concentrate and focus more.
The only time I eat salad is in school.
Then if you like salads. Ready, guys?
I eat chicken salad. I only eat the chicken and the cheese.